Logging into WordPress every time with a username and password can slow you down, especially when you are managing multiple sites. With CloudRaptor's Magic Login feature, you can access your WordPress admin dashboard instantly without entering any credentials. Magic Login creates a secure, temporary session and logs you directly into your WordPress admin panel. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Go to Applications from your CloudRaptor dashboard. Step 2. Select your WordPress application. Step 3. Open the Overview tab. Step 4. Scroll to the WordPress admin section. Step 5. Click the Magic Login button. That's it. You'll be automatically redirected into your WordPress dashboard without entering a username or password. Behind the scenes, CloudRaptor generates a secure, time-limited authentication token. That token is verified by your application, and a temporary login session is created. You are then redirected straight into your WordPress admin panel. The token expires automatically after use, or within a short time window, so it cannot be reused. Magic Login is designed with security in mind. It only works for authenticated CloudRaptor users. The login link is temporary and cannot be reused. Access is limited to the selected application, and HTTPS must be enabled to ensure secure authentication. The result? Instant access to your WordPress admin dashboard, no manual login required, and a secure, time-limited session every time. That's CloudRaptor Magic Login. Simple, secure, and built for speed.